I had no experience with multimeters, electricity, and then I met the beard. I met Todd Hansen, and he made that first week just joyful. My name is Rodney Thompson. I'm from Houston, Texas. I retired from the Postal Service. I am also a United States Army veteran, and I found out that they were in the process of taking military, Chapter 31, and even vocational rehab. I attended 5 weeks of tech training. I had no clue what I was getting into. I was spending so much money on fixing or having my RV fixed. And since I've been to the tech training and I've been through the inspection part of it, I actually see that what I was paying for was not what I was really receiving. I will recommend this school to anybody that wants to learn about how an RV works. We came to this school to be able to help other RVers that were in the same boat or feel the same way we did before we actually came to NRVTA. So, and that's the truth.